Welcome to the 31-day Simple Start Challenge, where over the next 31 days, we're going to use God's Word as our blueprint to launch that business offer, that business idea, that service that has been sitting in your heart. We're going to walk through verse by verse of Proverbs 31, and we're going to pull practical, actionable tips that you can use today to launch and start your business. Why? Because God's word is the best business blueprint to launch and start a business. If you are ready to dive in, if you are ready to go from stuck to moving in purpose and in action, go ahead and click the link below to get the guide that I created just for you, the Simple Start Business Blueprint, where I'm outlining 31 days of scriptures to help fuel you to move in faith and in action as you launch your business. I'll see you in the next couple of days as we collectively work to do the work that God has placed in our hands.